Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. I'm super excited for today's video because my girl Alex did a collaboration with Heat Transfer Warehouse to create a melanin line of vinyl, and we're going to use it today to create this shirt. I'll have everything you need linked in the description box below, and if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. First thing we're going to do is start off with the blank canvas in Cricut Design Space. We're going to go over here to Shapes, hit Square, and I'm going to go ahead and unlock this. And I want my width to be about 9. And maybe like 9 by 5. And I'm just going to take this from black to brown just to kind of give me a better visual of the project. So now I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to scroll through. So I'm going to go over here to and hit weld, because I just want the silhouette. I don't need all the layers, and I'm going to change this to black. I'm going to make this smaller, maybe. Okay. Now I'm going to select everything, hit align, and center it. Then I'm going to go ahead, since everything is still selected, hit slice. And I'm just going to delete this part because I don't need it. Okay. Let's move this down a little bit. And I actually want to flip her. I don't know why. It just seems like it needs to be flipped. Alright, so I flipped everything. And let's just grab some text. I want like a cursive. Yes, here we go. I love that. So if you zoom in, you can, like, you see these little connection points right here. We're going to weld this. And when you weld it, you see how it makes it like smooth. It doesn't have the part where it's touching. So anytime you have cursive fonts, make sure that you always weld it together just because it makes it look better. And I'm going to do the text in the brown. I'm going to duplicate this. Oh, wait. Oh, I can't duplicate it because I welded it. Oopsie. Alright, go back to text box and write every shade slaves. And bring this down. Change the width to about 9. Weld it. And change it to brown as well because I want all that to be the same color. And this width is 7. Alright, boom. So we have our design. So we're just going to go ahead over to make it. And make sure we mirror everything. And we'll hit continue. So we'll just go ahead and cut both the vinyls out on the vinyl setting for your Cricut. And for this HTV, don't lay it upside down. You know how you do the shiny side down for HTV, but not this side, okay? You need to cut it right side up. And I know I said to mirror the design, but I lied, okay? I made that mistake so you guys don't have to. So I'm just going to pre-press my shirt at 305 degrees for about 10 seconds. And then I'll just go ahead and weed the vinyl. And you just weed it like normal. And like I said, you cut this vinyl with the pattern side facing up. And you don't mirror this design because it requires a mask. Okay, so the vinyl and the mask are sold separately, so make sure you add that to your cart when you check out. So you'll just lay the mask on there, cut it to size, and this really just puts me in the mind of using like 651 vinyl, because that's pretty much the same process, right? I'm laying the mask down there and I'm using my scraper to, like, you know, make sure it's adhered on there very, very well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do like a little test pull to make sure that everything is stuck that I needs to be stuck. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut the strips and separate them. Take my t-shirt guide ruler that we created in a couple videos back, and I will link that in the description box, and just, you know, line the vinyl up and just lay it on there. So since I'm using a black shirt, I didn't even bother using the black vinyl that I had cut out previously, because I was like, you know, I'll just save that for another shirt, because I really do like this vinyl and I will definitely be using it again. I'm super excited that Heat Transfer Warehouse and Defined by Alex did this collaboration, because it really is kind of hard to find like skin tone colors. So once I have everything on there, I'm just going to go ahead and press it at 305 degrees. They say 6 seconds, but I did 10. So and then you just peel it off while it's warm, and there it is, y'all. This shirt is so dope, and I really do love this vinyl. So stay tuned for more projects. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.